How much PSI you think? 35?
I was at 32.
32?
Get a microfiber like cloth one.
Where they at?
That's who has them.
You got a microfiber phone? That looks beautiful.
See, that's how you know I haven't done tires in the video.
I should have called your brother.
That's crazy.
Not that hard, huh?
The caps?
Yeah. Just pop it. Yeah. Damn. That bitch looks good.
You gonna put my pressure there? See the little nut?
Mm-hmm.
It's supposed to be like right at the nozzle. That's the balance.
Oh, okay.
But we don't have those machines because there's actual machines that will like, I'll tell you the balance here.
It'll set it.
Don't fucking move it.
Oh, okay. What's going on, guys? Finally got the new rims wrapped in some NITTO NT555s. 305s in the rear, these two bad boys, and 275s in the front. These rims are the 10 spoke from Project 6GR in the gloss black. Fucking beautiful. They came with the center caps with the Project 6GR branding on it, but I'm gonna try to put the OEM Mustang ones on there. Keep it looking like OEM plus. So yeah, I'm gonna shuffle some cars around and then jack the Mustang up and start putting these on. Got this out. Hopefully it fits in the new wheels. If not, I guess I'll just run the Project 6GR ones. But this would be sick to me to run. I got these black lug nuts off of LMR. Because the stock ones are chrome. I figured I'd swap them out for black. Make sure that fit. That looks good. Wow. That's a meaty boy. Those tires look good. Okay. This thing on. guys can see that. Check that out. That looks beautiful. I can't wait to sit it down, but now I gotta do the front one and then sit it down and show you this side. Show you guys the center cap when I pop it in. The Ford one right here. No, she don't want to fit in there. Hold on. I'm gonna need 2 hands for this. I might need my mallet. I'll be right back. Good old trusty rubber mallet. Fuck. All right, got the center cap on. The mallet didn't want to do it, kept popping out. So what I did is I took the rim off, put the center cap in, and then put the rim back on. I don't know why it was so hard to do it with the rim on, because the rear, it was easy. Just popped right in, but on the front, I think maybe the cover for the spindle nut or whatever, maybe it was kind of hard to squeeze it past it, but it's on now, so I don't know. Very confusing, but all right, I'm gonna snug these up and then I'm gonna lower it and I'll show you guys what it looks like. That looks so good. We went from these stock black accent package rims, which honestly, they're nice, but these look better. Wow. So it's 19 by 11 in the rear with a 305, 35, 19 tire. And that's meaty. That's nice. That's like, whew, nice and flush. That looks good. Wow. Wow, that's crazy. I got the front here. I put 275, 35, right? Yeah, I think 275. Definitely 275, 35, 19 in the front. Nittos all around. Yeah, that looks good. So about the same amount of clearance as before. I mean, probably a little less just because the tire's bigger, but damn, that looks good. So yeah, I'm gonna do the other side off camera. I mean, it's no fucking different. It'll be the same shit, but yeah. That's the Project 6 GR, 10 spoke in gloss black on the S550.